Wagwan everybody. Welcome to the channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Welcome back everyone. I'm Patrick and welcome to the Big Up Jamaica channel. Today's video will be about the secret world of Jamaican OBEAH. OBEAH is not a religion, but rather a collection of spiritual practices, charms, and rituals brought to the Caribbean by enslaved Africans during the 1700s. Similar to Haitian voodoo or Trinidadian Shango, OBEAH blended African traditions with the harsh realities of slavery. Unlike Rastafari, which is openly practiced and celebrated, OBEAH has always been hidden, partly because of its association with rebellion, sorcery, and the unknown. During slavery, OBEAH became more than just spiritual practice, it was a weapon. Enslaved Africans used OBEAH to inspire courage, unite against oppressors, and strike fear in slave owners. In fact, British colonial rulers feared OBEAH so much, they made it illegal in the 18th century. One of the most famous revolts, Tacky's Rebellion of 1760, was said to be fueled by OBEAH men who promised warriors magical protection. This terrified the British, who saw OBEAH as a direct threat to their power. OBEAH has two sides. For some, it's about healing, using herbs, roots, and prayers to cure sickness or bring good fortune. For others, it's linked to curses, hexes, and calling upon spirits to harm enemies. In Jamaican culture, the word OBEAH can spark fear. To be accused of practicing it was enough to make people avoid you or seek your help in secret. Even though OBEAH was outlawed for centuries, belief in its power has never disappeared. In 2019, Jamaica repealed its colonial-era OBEAH Act, but the practice is still surrounded by stigma and secrecy. From politics to sports, from love to money, whispers of OBEAH remain. Whether people truly believe, or just fear the possibility, it continues to shape Jamaican life. OBEAH is more than superstition, it's a story of resistance, survival, and the unseen forces that shape culture. Some call it magic, some call it evil, others call it misunderstood. But one thing is certain, OBEAH will always remain part of Jamaica's hidden history. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, big up yourself and walk good. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be instantly notified for new videos on all things Jamaica.